Two for the road, come along, let's go. From city lights to the mountain snow. Every mile's a story to be told with two for the road.
Hi guys, welcome back to Two for the Road. This is the day you're all waiting for, the giveaway. We were going to give you a sandwich out of the fridge, but we did promise a travel pack. He ate it, so we have a travel pack as promised. So we are going to do the draw now. And first of all, I want to tell you what the prize is. So this is the travel pack from the White Company. Really good brand.
What does it come in, Nicola?
It comes in a really fancy case.
Camel leather?
Camel leather, that's it, yeah, absolutely.
What are the contents?
The contents are a pair of travel socks. And Bosch only wore once.
Not one.
We have an eye mask.
Not one.
Brand new as well. This is all brand new, guys, alright? We're not that bad. We wouldn't send you out used stuff.
No, this was used once.
Toothbrush and toothpaste, still sealed in its pack. We've a travel moisturizer, so handy for traveling with, and you don't have to worry about liquid quantities and all that in security. We have this Pulse Point Relax liquid, so you put that.
Send that, please.
Yeah, put it on your pulse points if you're anxious traveling, anything like that, and seemingly it helps to calm you down.
Oh.
And earplugs.
I could have done with them earplugs.
I'm sure you could have. Listening to yourself, Holman.
Yeah.
So that is the prize. Okay, so let's see who the winner is going to be.
So the winner is in here. Do we have any entries?
Loads. I'm
the
so
winner
excited.
is in here.
So
A little
excited.
combo. I will give it a shake as you can hear the contents that are in it.
Yep.
Do not look, Nicola, please.
I'm not looking.
Put it off in there. There, so this is the whole.
Okay, let's see who we are picking now. I'm giving it a good twist and turn here now. And our winner is Michelle. Michelle, well done. Congratulations. Thanks so much, guys, for liking and sharing. We're now on TikTok, so go over to that channel. You'll see all our little reels. Tell your friends, okay? We've loads of videos and loads of content still ready to come out to you. And, Pat, do you want to tell them about our Christmas?
Yeah, our
Christmas
first vlog is going to be Christmas markets. I think it's Poland.
Yeah, hopefully it's going to Poland. We need to tonight about it.
Sure, it's Poland.
Yeah.
Good things wear to those who. Good things come to those who wear, right? Words. It's going to be a fairly decent production. Spielberg-esque, I hope.
We'll be premiering in Carlo,
yeah,
of course.
Until then, in Huntington Court, right? Until then, just bear with us, lads. Enjoy the small snippets of videos. We have a couple more lined up to come out. Nicola versus Podge and a few other things, bits and bobs. So look, thanks so much for support.
Yes, we hope you're enjoying it so far. Let us know. Comment. Tell us what you think. If it's negative, don't bother, okay?
Like, share and subscribe.
Yes. Thanks a million, guys. And song of food. Bye.